phone.
Hey.
You no carry phone.
Oh, but you no go here free. You no go here.
Oh, but you go call your sister. Where your phone?
Where your phone? You no carry phone.
Where your
You
man?
no carry phone. Where your man? No, that guy na my man.
That guy like your man.
Na my neighbor.
Oh yeah, no, make we go.
Nah. Oh, but sit down. Come on, sit down.
He says like B.
Call him.
But I got
See the
smart.
boy.
Come.
See the boy.
Let me carry the 2 million. Let me carry
You
the 2
go
million.
call your sister.
Daddy.
You want me to give you 2 million? Go collect 2 million.
But where I carry know this guy?
Daddy, they ginger me. Daddy, they ginger me. Daddy, they ginger me. Daddy,
Okay, 2 million.
they ginger me. My 2 million.
You know you said they won't buy here. You won't carry 2 million.
Oh, boy. They won't carry my money buy this land, though.
Thank God say I don't see
See
her.
this man, oh.
Joe, if I
won't carry my money by this
I have
time.
everything on camera.
Try.
I have everything. This boy is going nowhere. Make a film him.
Sure. Yes, we see. Don't give his sister a number.
You know her number.
Why I go call her? Should they pick my call? Should they pick my call?
You carry phone from her.
Give her a call her.
I carry my phone. Come, you go call the girl number.
Ta.
You come here. No worry. Calm down now. Calm
Over
down.
my 2 million, I won't carry come buy property.
Just wait.
See this man, you.
Joe, calm down. Let me
Chill.
oh boy,
Calm down.
call your sister now.
Wait, calm down.
Over come on the same first. Come on the
Wait,
same.
wait.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down now. Calm down.
Over my 2 million, come
Calm
on,
down.
come on this thing. Come on this thing.
Calm down. Calm down.
Oh no, come on down. Come on
Calm
down.
down. Leave her. Calm down. Calm down. We don't hear now. We go there and go run. Calm down. That's your sister number.
This is the criminal. This
Joe.
is it.
Relax.
Hey.
Joe, calm
Joe,
down.
calm down. No, nothing to
Oh.
Joe,
Hey.
relax. Hello.
Hey.
Hello, Alpha. Good afternoon.
Look at what, Batty boy. I like the way you do it. You put your hands.
Okay, I'm your brother's friend. He wants to talk to you. He said his phone is off.
Hello, 16. How you been now? Come on, Adi. You know that place where I tell you, I want to go check that land. Come on, that your boyfriend, he come carry me and come stone me here. And I see the place now. You know the location?
Tell her, make she
Yeah, they come the place.
good.
They come. I see
Joe,
the
relax now.
Oh, but what is?
Relax, Joe, relax.
Oh, man, I like that. I like this guy.
Relax.
Hey. Oh, but
She they come now.
no, man, I like
If
that.
you know
Wait,
come,
man, I like
no,
that
no,
first.
relax,
Wait,
relax.
man, I like this guy. Man, I like that.
relax.
Just small, man, don't touch her.
Relax.
Oh, but this boy.